You're awesome. You've got a great job, good friends. But there's this one area that doesn't exactly make you feel like the powerhouse that you are. Money. While you've probably tried a bunch of things, nothing really sticks. We all know we should have a budget. But a budget that sits at home doesn't help, and tracking every expense isn't realistic. Seriously, who has time for that? So we just manage our money off the top of our head, and we're left with this constant sinking feeling that we're not making the most of our money. While we put money aside for savings, we end up having to dip back into it to pay for important things, and we don't end up making the kind of progress that we feel we should. It's time for a new approach. My Money Zen is an online course that teaches you how to set up an automatic system to manage your money for you. Imagine if before your pay even hits your account, your most important bills were already automatically paid, and the perfect amount went off into savings all before you even lift a finger, and all you saw was the right amount of money for any other expenses put aside ready to go, and spending money in your account once a week that you can enjoy guilt-free. With your money organised, you can see at a glance exactly what you've got, simply by checking your bank balance, so you'll never accidentally overspend. Your money life becomes super easy, and you make the kind of progress you deserve. Best of all, it's fast. After the initial setup time, there's no tracking of expenses and no ongoing work necessary. And it actually works. My Money Zen has been created by normal, everyday people just like you, who have used it for themselves and others to get complete confidence with their money. It's not what you earn, it's what you do with it that really counts. Start making the most of your money today.